Welcome back, Leviathan Race. My name is Alexander Leviathan, and I am your forever Pokemon War champion. Surging, Astral, Temporal, Silver, Astral, Surging. I haven't really had any luck. The last big banger card that I pulled was this. I should put that in the sleeve. This Orpon EX Mask. That thing was the last thing that I pulled that was really worth something, or like just fire it off. I pulled the Articuno from Journey Together. I pulled that thing. I pulled this Relicanth. What is showing from Temporal Forces. Here we go, Pikachu. Show yourself. Like trash. Go card. Here we go. Hitmonlee. Jump Kick. Execute. Cast Form. Steady Form. Misbrit. Scatterbug. Dust Ball. Jasmine's Gaze. Xerneas. Scatterbug. Vulpix. And Dialga. Alright. That is the first one down. Here we go. Astral Radiance. I haven't hold that Astral in a long time. Couple of joints over here. I still haven't pulled that Charizard. The Charizard from Astral Radiance. I know I'm not a super Charizard guy, but the Charizard is fire. Here we go. Or use a Divine Whip. Is he? Yeah, he's leave. Steel Mask. Use Ride Leaf Shower. Yeah, let's do that. Yameka. Gate Jaw Board. Magneton. Mantine. Quillfish. Hisuian Style. Basculin. Hisuian Style. Poochyena. Meow Meow. Electrode. Hisuian Style. And a Magnezone. So nothing from there. So I am 0 for 2. Temporal Forces. Come on. Give me that Raging Bolt. Give me that Raging Bolt. Here we go. Go card. Third Eye Energy. You know why? Because I see it all. Ponyta. Chata. Cottonee. Carvin. Scream Tail. Zora. Iron Films. Here we go. Alligator. Here we go. Hair Trimmer. Here we go. Walking Wiggy X. So, nothing. Okay. Halftime dance. Okay. Let's get back to cracking. 3 left. What will I do? Oh, what will I do? Evil Energy. Jinx. Toxpix. Professor. Krogunk. Solosis. Zubat. Elgin. Fungus. Fletcherdy. And Miss Maggie is to close that one out. So nothing in that silver. And we are on to Astral again. I still need that Charizard, as I said at the beginning of the video. So this will be the perfect time to give me that Charizard. Fighting Energy. Granidos. Bulldog. Swift Cards. Magnemite. Teddy Ursa. Sneasel, Hisuian Style, Mischievous, Barboach, Elsif, and Glaceon. Last pack. Latios is in this pack, guaranteed. My own Latios is in this pack. So let's just open it and make sure everybody sees it, because I want to see it too. Cocard. Blastoise, Hydro Pump, Esper, Shellos, Slacko, Azelf, Goldango, Magnezone, Technical Machine, Florite, Precious, Primeape, and Chimpow. Whew! Well, nothing in those. My name is Alexander Leviathan, and I am your Pokemon Land Forever Champion. One more video to go for today. This is like my 15th video of the day. 16 will be the last one, and we are going back to searching so I can see if I can pull that Pikachu with our Latios. Only one way to find out, and that's if you come and watch the last one. Thank you for coming by. I'm trying to hit 10K by the end of the year, so please, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, whatever you want to talk about, put it in the comment section. I would love to have a conversation with you about whatever special Pokemon. Of course. Like the video if you like the video. It just makes sense. Thumbs up or thumbs up. Boom. And if you have anybody who loves Pokemon, send this video to them. I promise it will thank you later. And I thank you